Bambų tunelį.
Jo.
Vieta kažkokių kaimų. Svabūnai.
Man tai durianas.
Va, durianas, rimtai. Va, bet jis svabūna panašus.
Turi biškį jo svabūno kvapą, tą tokį papūšą.
Oho, kiek žmonių. Daug.
So many people.
Aha. Very. Very many.
Yes.
This like temple village?
No, this is a local village where is Balinese live their life here.
Ah,
I will bring you to enter one house.
čia gyvena. Sakė. O, prašau.
Yeah, let's see here.
Čia sakė. 10 numeris.
This is the entrance gate, yeah. In every house in front of the gate you will see the sign, the name of the village. That is means culture village, Penglipuran, Bangli regency, rayon. And here with the name head of the family. Yeah, for example, Iputu is mean man, yeah, the head of the family. Iputu. And here 4 family live inside. 4 family, man is 6, female 7, so total people is 13 people live in this house. So that's it.
Eik, pirma. Ai, iš tikrųjų, aš bemagalvoju, ką čia tos lentelės reiškia.
Kind of the open village every day. This is UNESCO site here. UNESCO site where tourists can come and see how Balinese traditional building look like. Ayam. Oh. Yeah, they have local food here. So ayam, chicken, fried rice, fried noodle, mee, yeah, noodles, Bali coffee. Yeah, because they have tourists every day, so every house they have small business like this. Swastiastu.
Hello. Oh.
Yeah, you can see their kitchen still traditional. So all house they made from bamboo. This is bamboo kas, bamboo. This is bamboo. This also bamboo for the water come here, and they live in the wood like this. So with small.
And water don't come?
No, don't come. So this is they sleep there.
O, čia tai geras. Hello. Can I see?
Yes, you can see.
Dova. Pažiūrėk, kaip gyvena žmonės. Čia geras. Valgom močiutę, einam.
Oi, gal reikia.
Okay.
Yeah.
And from one house to another neighbor, they have connecting gates, so you can visit your neighbor
Oh.
just straight away. So here we can come, so you can see the neighbor.
Ten kažkoks kambariukas. Esi? O! Prašau, jie žuvų visko turi.
Tai jas dar užsiauginti reikia.
O kam?
Yeah, so from one house we come to another neighbor.
Yeah.
You see the same. There are temple. And then
The
this
same.
This is a ritual for building. This is what they need to keep in traditional way. And then another territory they can build another house for different family member until backside. Semua Bapak. Yeah. And then backside, you can build another 1, 2, 3 more building, depending how big your family. But this you have to keep in 3 traditional temple. This building where is for kitchen, and this is for the ritual.
Paklaus, kaip jie žemę gauna, kad statyt namus.
From what they got ground, what they can a building. So
This house they give to generation to generation. In the beginning, of course, from government.
Surtai?
Iš kartos į kartą perduodamas, jis neperkama žemė.
Yeah, generation to generation. So the house is, you can see different depending of your financial situation.
Yeah.
If you have more money, you can build house better. But the architecture the same. Yeah, this is we call Penglipuran. Only 90 family member here in this village only.
Jo.
Terus dia asli? Baik bu.
Halo. Halo. Geras. Geras. Išėjom per kaimynus.
Walk until center of the village and then back to the bamboo forest.
Va, kaip atrodo vietinės, matai? Su vėliavėlėm. Čia kažkoks klubas, nes va, biškai fotkinasi daug, va. Tuh, oke. Oh. How much? 80,000. Ah, habis?
This or this? No, I don't know which is the best. L or M? L.
Fotkinasi žmonės. Dabar, ha? O, ryžių prisiklijavę ant galvos.
Tai taip, čia apeigas atliko.
Temple, but not for tourists.
Not for tourists, okay. Ne turistų šventyklos. Bet va, kur tik akmenai iškart jau vėsiau. Not for tourists, sakė.
Aš jau praktiškai...
Matai, dabar šventė, o žiūrėk, tokie patys varai kaip Zanzibarė. Va. Tai ten siūlė pinigų. Ne, sakė.
Bambu.
Aha.
Sorry?